Don't be any wasps or critters. Let's see.
Let's not do it.
Good morning, everybody. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Matt, and today we're digging a utility. There's our sewer marker right there. Our storm is gonna go out just to the right of that. Our power is at that box somewhere. We're probably gonna have to step into it. There's all our conduit. We're gonna start digging. Bye. Little change of plans. Tyler's gotta go help, or gotta go dig something out over there real quick. He stopped by to bring us some fittings, and then that happened. So either way, I'm gonna cut some downspouts for these rain drains so we can just keep going. That's an inch dry, but it's fine. There we go. One there, one there, one there, one there, for free, one there, and one there. I'll smush my microphone wires when I'm doing. Hopefully it still works. Okay, so now I'm just following Frank around as he does the rain drains.
Yeah, because I do everything else.
Yeah, he don't like the sun, that's why he's got his jacket on. I, on the other hand, had to customize the long sleeve for free. So while Tyler's using the machine, we're gonna go over there and start those rain drains right there. Nothing so far. No, we're good. Can't beat the view though, look at that. Beautiful out here. Looks like Frank tried to paint his toenails again.
Oh.
For free. There, come on. Gonna need one there. Maybe one back here for safe measure. One right here. Wow! Oh! Perfect. All right, we got all the rain drains done. Tyler's still got the machine over yonder. So lunchtime. Lunchtime. So there's a mainline storm running across here, and I really don't want to hit it. A big old 10-inch line. So after some shoveling, lots of shoveling, that's kind of that's what we were looking for. Other than going up into the box, I don't want to hit that. That's that main line storm that's right there. There's a manhole. Yeah, didn't want to hit that, but now we can continue on. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so now we know where that is. So now we can continue digging. Maintain our 3 foot. Oh, dig under me too much. Get that all cave in. That'd be no go. Not for free. This is my first time out to this job site, so everything's kind of like, it's a little different than in other job sites. All this property and pins and property lines are just great. Now I gotta go turn around and find the end that's in the foundation. That's all dug, looking pretty good. We got a gas trench. Found our power right there. We're gonna go up into the box there. I'm gonna go cut in a little trench for the gas till about like there. And we're gonna head to the backyard. And the storm is going back there to a manhole that's over there. I don't know how much footage I'll get of that because there's a family in the other yard and I want to respect their privacy, and you know what I mean. You get it. All right, Tyler made it back. He's here to dig the rest of the utility, and I'm gonna help lay it so we can just keep rolling on. You probably could like raise it.
Did you take the top of that?
Yep.
No, you didn't.
You take the top of it? Oh yeah, I have to shovel this little belly out right there.
Want to do that now before we?
Well, no, this one's good. It's just when you go to connect it, you gotta shovel this out. I got to. Either way. Either way's fine. Either way. You want to bring that sawzall over yonder?
You scared? What do you?
Either way. So my shoveling not good enough for you? Oh. Looking good. The gas conduit tomorrow. Now we're on to the storm. So we're gonna do this just like we do the sewer, the 4x3 Fernco, little chunk of pipe. dry fit first. Oh, you don't even have your angles glued in yet.
Fall for it.
Cut my finger up. All right, I'm done with the storm. Now on to the sewer. So Tyler's still digging the sewer. We got Frank on the water line. I'm gonna run the tracer wire.
Bury that right there.
I ran out of tracer wire. I'll roll over here.
There's a wire knot right there.
All right, the water line's in, trace wire's on. We gotta backfill some of it just so we can put dirt somewhere. So I'm gonna shovel for Tyler because he's almost there to the sewer.
Yeah, you could do that. I think you can pull that wire down there out a little bit.
Spin that, yeah, that's gonna work beautiful.
Maybe for that reason.
Yeah.
Free.
Like that. That's how that's done.
Oh, you want to
Oh yeah. Oh, you need a T-wrench now. You would. All right, well, the sewer's all done. Tyler started digging that one over there. We might have to go just start laying that one. We're not sure yet. Don't want to. You can go home.
Go home.
Or go home. That's gonna do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new here, my name is Matt. Like I said earlier, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit me with your comments, questions, concerns, and until next time, friends.